Hi guys, so today is Friday, March 6, 2026. So I'm going to talk about the price action and the market structure of gold today. So today we have the non-farm employment change and the employment rate for the USD. So this is the labor report, monthly labor report today. So it's going to be very interesting price action we have today. So to zoom out, if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that gold is still on the bullish trend for the long term since October 2023. But we also see there are some kind of pullback this week. But still, the weekly structure is still holding. So unless there's a big change, I'm expecting that gold is continuing to have been on this bullish trend further in the long term. In the daily chart, for the price action here, so what is interesting is that on Friday, shortly after the Friday session closed, we have the big news on the Iran and the US war started. And on Monday, we have a big gap up of the price. And normally everyone is considering buying at that time, but the opposite thing happened, is that gold only able to reach 5,400 and then it pulled back. So, and then the next day, what is even more interesting is that we have a big liquidation here. The price of gold plunged and closed at around 50.90. So it closed around the level that was the resistance 50.90 or 50.80 previous time. So this level previously was a resistance level, but now it is the support level. So the price of gold moving pretty strong on Tuesday to 5,000, and then there's some buying pressure here, and then it closed around this support level. And then the next day, Wednesday and Thursday, we see some kind of like, weak moving, weak trending of gold. The price of gold is, is traded, on a very small range, very narrow range here. So I'm not gonna be committed my capital yet unless there's two scenarios. If gold close below the support level around 50.80 or 50.90 here, then I'm considering looking for short position. the second scenario is that if gold getting some good buying pressure and then close above this level, which is the becoming the resistance level, as you can see that gold going up here and then it's having some upper wick candle here. There's two daily candles here, and there's two kind of long upper wick candles here. So this level is the resistance level, and then if gold close decisively above this resistance level of around 52.20 or 52.30, then I'm going to consider entering some long position. But right now, as I'm looking here, if we go in further in the 4-hour chart, we can see that the momentum of gold is not looking good. And we can see that there's some momentum going down on the 4-hour chart here. So my bias is that the chance of gold going down is higher than the chance of gold going up. So I'm placing the chance of gold going down is 60% chance of gold going down, breaking this 50.80 or 50.90 level. So that's my analysis for today, and then we will see what happened. I'm not rushed to commit any capital yet, unless there's a decisive break of this support level or a decisive break of the resistance level 52.20 or 52.30. So that's my analysis for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.